I love playing with slimes. They are so fun to squish.
Hey, I want to do that too! This is so much fun!
Hey, Sammy! Where do you think slimes come from?
That's easy, Susan. First, Mommy Slime and Daddy Slime meet. Then, they understand that they love each other very much. And then, they call for delivery. And in 30 minutes, they get a baby slime. Just like pizza! Yep!
That doesn't sound right. Oh, wait! It's my phone! Hello? Oh, hi, Roger. How are you there?
She's right. But where do slimes come from, then? I have to find that out.
Right, see you soon. Sammy, where are you? Sammy!
I'm here, Sue.
What happened? And what's with the outfit?
I just wanted to understand how slimes are made.
I see. So it's a scientific approach. Huh. Hey, what if we build a slime factory?
A slime factory? That's genius.
Huh? Oh, where did he go again?
Susie, look, I already made the walls.
Whoa, you're fast. Let's see. Great job, Sam. Now we can get to work, but we're gonna need hot glue and more pieces.
They are coming right up, Sue. Let me do the final check. Yep, they are perfect.
No, they aren't. This is what these pieces should look like.
What? How could I not know that? Anyway, just glue them to the base. That's right. Uh-huh. You're doing great, Susan.
Well, thanks for that high praise.
Sue, I ordered sushi. You're supposed to eat them with chopsticks, right? But that's impossible. I only keep dropping my food.
These are not chopsticks, Sammy. These are skewers, and they are just perfect for our craft.
Seriously? Well, at least I got to drink the juice.
Great, we can use this too. Here we go. Check it out, Sammy. Sammy, where are you?
Right here. And I'm helping even more.
Why, thank you. Here comes 1. And 2. And 3. Perfect!
Yoo-hoo, I can see you.
Very funny. Now we can put these parts together. Everything is so nice and neat. But we're not done yet. We've got a lot more work to do. Here we go.
Interesting. Yar, it's a real treasure. I must have it quick. Hey!
Excuse me, Mr. Slime Pirate, but I need this. Now, look how bright this background turned out.
Ah, perfect yellow for my perfect glitter.
Right! Now, let's do some measurements. Looks great to me. The next step is to glue a piece of clear plastic right on top of this half tube. It's quite easy. Sammy, did you manage?
How could I not? Check it out.
So what's next?
I know. Take this to upgrade the tube.
What a brilliant idea. Now it simply has to work like it should.
Well, we won't know it until we test it, right?
Agreed. Aren't we the best crafting team ever?
With a lot of work ahead.
Fine.
What is all that? I don't get it.
Sammy, how much longer? Time is money.
Then how come I never get paid? Here's all you need.
Finally. But where's the tube?
Wait a sec. I know it was here. Found it. Catch.
Thank you, I guess. Anyway. This piece goes right here.
Oh, this is so much fun. Whee! Duh!
Be careful, and right about time, actually. I was just about to test this. It was fun.
Yeah, fun indeed.
Okay, where was I? Huh, right. Friends, in case you forgot, we're making a slime factory here. Give us a thumbs up if you like the idea. This piece doesn't look good. That's better. And note that we have some foam paper here. Now let's see if it fits. Yep, we're doing great here.
You could have never done that without my help.
You sure?
Well, of course. Because I am the best helper in the world.
That's true. Oh, we almost forgot about one more important piece. That's better. And this is for decor. How about one more testing?
Awesome!
So, you ready?
Do it, Susan!
Yay!
Oh, wow! This is like real magic! I like it so much! Hey, what's that? What a funny-looking creature. I will name you Spinner. Hey, Sue! Meet my new friend, Spinner.
Actually, it is a spinner. Look. And it's just what we need. Your friend did a really good job, Sammy. Thank you. We need more color and more pieces. Now we can put everything together like this.
I found something else that looks good on me.
Hey!
Oh, come on, Sam. You know we need it for the craft. See? This nice stick can come in handy, too. The smaller piece goes in the middle, and the longer one on the other side.
Let me glue it around with this foam paper.
We won't need it this time, Sammy. Look.
Whoa, this is really mesmerizing, Sue. I love it.
Let's keep working. I think there's something good inside.
I want to see. Let me have a look. No way, I forgot. Ouch, hid my stash in there.
Huh, maybe I should start making a candy stash, too. Except, I don't like candy very much. Maybe it could better be a stash of chocolate, then.
Sue, don't get carried away. Take this.
Thank you.
I brought another glue tank. Let me install it myself.
And here we go. We just need to make the lid. And magnets will help us with that. This goes here, and it's done. Now we can open and close it easily.
In order for the factory to produce the most beautiful slimes, it must look beautiful as well. And bam! Now we're talking. Finally, we can start making slimes. My recipe is going first. We will be making a fluffy slime. Here's all we'll need on your screens. It's quite easy. Ready for the first run?
Sure, I even got the coin. Let's get started. The first batch of glue was a success. Now let's add some shaving cream.
She's adding a bit of baking soda now, folks.
Here goes some coloring.
We also need a shot of lens fluid. Here we go! Come on!
Look at this. We made our first slime. I like how it came out.
Here's our special jar to keep you warm, slime. You look great.
How about we combine the recipes for the next slime? Have a look at this. But we always start with glue, remember?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be interesting. What's next, Sue?
It's the same as with the previous slime.
I hope this one will have gorgeous hair, so we'll add quite a bit of shampoo.
Sammy, shampoo for soft texture, not for the hair. But that's not all. We need more ingredients this time. Okay, let's see. Ah, this one.
A little bit more.
That's enough. Have you ever mixed cornstarch with shampoo, friends? We'll get something really soft and buttery. Now, let's combine everything together. Let's add some decor, too.
I suggest adding even more fun and colorful things. Be right back.
What? Wow, Sammy, this is amazing! Now get into your jar, buddy. It's another perfect fit. Finally, let's try my slime recipe, and here's what we need. I want to prepare some glitter first. Great! And it goes right into the glue! Wow, so sparkly! Ready to add some lens solution? Here we go! Hey, where is it?
Sorry, Sue. I wanted to help you a bit. Here you go.
Thank you. It looks so pretty. Let's give it a good workout. Thanks for the jar, Sammy, and we're all set. Well, did you like our craft today?
I am more than happy with it. Honestly, we even added some technology. Oh, and this spinning ingredient stand is amazing. But my favorite part is glitter. We can make so many slimes now.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy. Friends, thanks for being with us today. Subscribe to our channel, and bye-bye.
Yeah! Check back with us in our next video, everyone. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye!